Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo, and I'm going to show you the Kinetic transit wheelchair, which comes already in its own carry bag. Let's take a look at how it comes out from the bag and we assemble all the parts. Once you've removed the carry bag, including the Kinetic wheelchair, from its box, place the items in front of you as you can see. Within the bag, we have several components. We have the seat back base, we have the seat pad, and then we have the two footrests. Lastly, you have the Kinetic itself. So we now have the components laid out in front of us. The footrests, the Kinetic wheelchair, its seat pad and the seat back as well. We'll start by placing the Kinetic on its wheels and unfolding it. So simply lift up and just move the rear arms or handles out of the way. From this point, we need to open out the wheelchair. Stand and apply pressure to the front and corners of the framework. From this point, we need to attach the armrests. These lift up, and what you have to do is pull the plunger here at the back and press down on the corner. That then clicks into position. Same on the other side. Lift the arm up, pull the plunger on the back, and then lift in position. We now need to ensure that we lift the handles at the rear of the Kinetic. They simply lift and click into position. At this point, it'd be worth applying the brakes. Simply lift and it locks into position. So now let's fit the seat pad to the back of the wheelchair. As you can see, it's wider at the top, and this is simply fitted with Velcro. So apply onto the top there, and again, firmly press with your hands. We now can fit the seat pad. Now this doesn't matter which way around it goes, as long as these are horizontal and you've got the Velcro towards the front and back. We need to ensure this goes underneath the seat belt and then firmly press to apply into position. We can now install the footrests. These may be needed to be adjusted in order to suit the length of your legs, but we can do that later. When you take the leg rest, it's worth opening it out and ensuring that this silver clip is on the inside. So this is the right hand leg rest. Come around to the frame, fit them onto the two silver pins that are on the frame, and then as you push on it, it goes around and clips into position, as you can see. Same on the other side, click into position and then push around and it clips in, as you can see. Included with the Kinetic is a hex spanner. Now this may be located in the box or in the pocket. Take out the hex spanner and now we can adjust the footrests. I have already adjusted the one on the left, so now let me show you how to do this one nearest to myself. Press on the lever and remove the footrest. Underneath, at the base of the footrest, is a hex bolt. So we can use the spanner to loosen, and then you may have to just wiggle that slightly and then adjust this so that it's the same length as the other side. Once you've set it, just tighten, not fully, and then ensure that this is in the correct position, and now tighten fully using the hex spanner. We can place this in the pocket so we don't lose it, and then reattach the footrest. And there we have the Kinetic fully assembled and ready for use.